Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is one of the best light alarm clocks available on the market, the Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock by JALL. If you're someone who struggles with waking up or just wants a more natural, soothing start to the day, this device might just change your mornings forever. This alarm clock is designed with a powerful sunrise simulation feature that gradually increases light intensity from 10% to 100% over a customizable period of 10 to 60 minutes before your alarm goes off. This mimics a natural sunrise, gently waking you up without the harsh jolt of a traditional alarm sound. It's especially helpful for heavy sleepers or anyone who finds mornings tough to handle. One of the standout features of this clock is its full-screen LED display panel. Unlike many similar products that only show a partial display, this one offers a clearer, brighter, and more user-friendly interface. The full-screen display not only makes it easy to read the time but also enhances the sunrise simulation effect, creating a more immersive waking experience. This device also doubles as a mood light with 17 different lighting modes. You get 8 solid colors like pink, green, blue, and red, along with 9 mood lights. The lighting is fully dimmable, so whether you want a soft night light or a brighter reading lamp, you have full control. This makes it a versatile addition to any room, whether for adults, kids, or seniors. The Wake Up Light also features dual alarms, which is perfect if you and your partner or family members need separate wake-up times. The snooze function offers an additional 9 minutes of sleep with just a tap, making it easy to get those extra few moments of rest without fumbling around. For those who love relaxing sounds, this alarm clock includes a sound machine with 25 built-in soothing sounds. From white noise and pink noise to nature sounds like rain, river, birds, and wind chimes, you can choose your perfect soundscape to help you fall asleep or stay relaxed. Plus, it comes with a 5-watt hi-fi Bluetooth speaker that allows you to connect your phone and play your favorite music or podcasts, giving it a dual functionality that goes beyond a typical alarm clock. The sleep timer is another useful feature, letting you set the device to play sounds or light for anywhere between 10 minutes and 8 hours. This is great for winding down at night or creating a calm environment for kids and adults alike. One important note is that this alarm clock is corded and needs to be plugged into an electrical outlet. It doesn't run on batteries. However, it comes with a generous 47-inch power cord and adapter, so you have flexibility in where you place it. The device also includes an FM radio and supports manual and auto tuning in the 76 to 108 MHz range. Whether you want to catch your morning news or listen to music, this clock has you covered. Finally, the thoughtful design extends to its alarm behavior. During the sunrise simulation, the clock doesn't emit any sound, which means you're waking up gradually with light alone. Only when the alarm time is reached does the sound start, making for a peaceful and natural wake-up experience. In summary, the JALL Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock is a multifunctional, thoughtfully designed product that combines natural light simulation, soothing sounds, Bluetooth connectivity, and versatile lighting options to help improve your sleep and wake routines. Whether it's for kids, adults, seniors, or heavy sleepers, it's an ideal gift and a smart addition to any bedroom. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to wake up feeling refreshed and relaxed, this alarm clock is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.